So gone ahead and added some filler to this. Sanded down pretty much like I said. Used 120 to sand the filler, which you can see it's light blue or green, whatever you want to call it. So it's all 120 along this area here, all where you see repairs, and then I fanned it out to 400, a good 4 inches all the way around. You can see where the shine fades off. And like I said on the last video, that'll basically catch my overspray. I'll mask off like these bumpers and that kind of thing, maybe this edge here, and then I'll kind of hit, once it's all dried, I'll hit everything with acetone, and then I can wet sand all this out and wet sand it, the edge back together to the shine, probably like 3,000 grit or something is what it looks like to get that mirror kind of image. So, but I'll start with like say 320 and bring it back out to the 400 to the edge, and keep going 8 and 12, 2 and 3. That is how I'll do it. I'll make another video when I have this gelcoat matched up.